Hey guys, this is my rupp build right here. This isn't a legal license plate. I just put it on there for a mud flap. I got a Predator 212 on it right now. We're getting some new brake cables. They got bent. We're getting some new shoes. They're all old and worn out. I actually got some new ones today, but they're the wrong size, so gotta go get some new ones. I had this thing running. Goes about 37 miles an hour right now. I think it can go a little faster. Just got a header for it. Do not know where I placed it. But keep tuned, looking for build 2 coming up. We gotta just put the brakes on and then put everything back on, and maybe I can get a running video.